Okay, so picture this. High school, but instead of the usual cliques and drama, you've got werewolves, zombies and aliens all trying to get along. And just when you think you've seen it all, a whole new species show up to crash the party. Welcome to Seabrook, where a new era of undead-ish antics is about to drop. You're watching Screen Explain TV, where the screen speaks and we explain. Alright, Z heads, listen up. We have been on one of the heck of a journey with Zed, Addison and the entire team Seabrook crew. From zombies to Zombies 4, we have seen zombies and cheerleaders fall in love, werewolves find their path, and even aliens land on the scene, all while breaking down social barriers one epic musical number at a time. The last movie left us on a cliffhanger that had us all screaming at our TVs. We thought everyone was finally living in harmony, but a new threat or maybe a new friend emerged, hinting at a world far beyond Seabrook. And now the rumors for Zombie 5 are not just walking, they are sprinting. So what's coming in the next chapter of this Monster Mash musical? The word on the street and my highly caffeinated sources say we are about to explore a whole new world. Literally, the ending of the last film hinted at a new species, maybe vampires, or maybe something even wilder. The theories are going absolutely bananas. Fans are speculating that the new species will be more than just new students. They could be from a completely different dimension or even a rival monster town. Imagine a new school that's the anti-Seabrook, a place where the monsters rule and the humans are the ones trying to fit in. What if Zed and Addison have to go undercover to bridge the gap between their world and this new one? It's a mind-bending possibility that could flip the entire franchise on its head. And what about the original crew? Will Bonzo get to be the hero for once? Will Villa and Winter have to team up with new species to fight a common enemy? The narrative possibilities are endless, and honestly, I'm here for all. But let's be real, it's zombies. So we are not just getting a new story, we're getting new songs. What will the new musical numbers sound like? Will they be pop rock anthems or will they lean into a new genre to match the new characters? I'm personally hoping for a rock opera number that finally gives us a proper Zed and Addison duet that isn't interrupted by a crisis. And let's not forget the dance moves. Will the new species have their own unique styles of dance? Something that challenges the zombies' hip-hop and the new cheerleaders' routines. I have my zombie shoes ready just in case. Ultimately, Zombie 5 is a chance for the franchise to evolve. It's no longer just about acceptance within Seabrook. It's about acceptance on a much grander global scale. It's about how far our favorite characters will go to prove that differences are what makes us stronger. What are your craziest theories for Zombies 5? Drop them in the comments below, and I want to know what's rattling around in that beautiful brain of yours. Me, I'm secretly hoping for a musical number where the zombies and werewolves have to learn to fly. It could happen. And that's our breakdown of Zombie 5. The anticipation is so high it's practically electric. Just like the Seabrook crew learns to embrace the new. We'll keep our eyes peeled and our keyboards ready to explain everything the moment it drops. Until then, keep an open mind, stay awesome and keep watching.